All of you go to the chat box, give the attendance. Don't forget, daily you have to give the attendance in the chat box.
Okay.
Now, in the last class, this was the worksheet or the classwork which we did in the last class. Okay. So I think all problems completed in the last class. Nothing is pending except this. Here, construct a line segment of the following length 4 centimeters, 6 centimeter. This was the one question which was pending in the last class. 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter length line segment to be drawn. You know how to draw a line segment? You have to take scale. You have to take a ruler. Starting from 0 to 4 centimeters, you have to draw a line. Take a scale that will have the measurements like this. Like this. Initial 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you measure up to 1 to 4, that will be the line segment of length 4 units.
Sir, that right?
What?
Sir, we have to write that.
No, not right. I will tell you then only. Just listen. This
Sir, that I already read, sir.
Yes, it is already shared. You have done. This was not done by me, so just I want to revise. So when you want to draw a 4 centimeters, you have to use the scale and draw 4 centimeters. Suppose 6 centimeters, then this much length. It is easy to measure by scale. You can find the numbers on the scale, so you have to draw the line segment. So that was the question. Last class I have not done because of time constraint, but this worksheet is shared, so you have done this. Just I want to share a small PPT about this. See, this is how we measure, how we draw a line using scale. Suppose you want to find the length of this pencil. So the beginning, the initial point will be at 0. Initial point will be at 0. And wherever the length ends, their mark, that is the measurement we find. Of course, it is 12 centimeters here. We are getting the answer. Dikshita, Dikshita, what are you doing? You are supposed to listen to the class. You're talking to your parents. What is this? Look at the class. If you have busy work with the parents, leave the class. This is how we draw the, how we find the length of any object given. You have to keep the scale or ruler and you have to measure how many centimeters. So once between 1 and 2, you can find small 10 lines. They indicate millimeter. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter and 1 meter.
Sir, your voice is not coming, sir. Cannot hear the voice, sir.
What happened?
Sir, hear the voice.
You are not getting my voice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you getting my voice or not?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I am hearing your voice.
Okay. See here, some points are there. You know this concept, just I want to revise. How to measure between A and B. You have to identify where is the point A and where is the point B. In between, you have to go for scale and measure it. Take the scale, join AB, and with the help of scale, you have to measure what is the distance AB.
ఇందాక ఈడు పెట్టిన రాలేదు ఇప్పుడు పెట్టి
Suppose
వచ్చిన
mute yourself, mute yourself. Suppose you want to find the distance between G and E. So take the scale between G and E, draw the line, and with the help of scale measure it, and you are getting 4.6. This is from your textbook question. Suppose I and C, take the scale and measure it, you will get. Then between C and F, take the scale, measure it, you are getting 4 centimeters like this. Which two dots you think are the farthest from each other? What is the maximum distance between 2 points where we have the maximum distance? If you can see, 4.6 is the highest distance. So 4.6 is between G and E. That was the answer there. What was the least distance? Least distance is 3 centimeters. So between A and B, we have the least distance. This everything is just to explain how we had to find the distance between 2 points. Now we are going to do the problems of the textbook. You have to copy the questions one by one. Let us see. Copy the question. First question. Take the notebook and copy the question. Answers also there. I will share after the class. Those who are not able to do in the class, they can do it. These are the textbook questions which are important. Have you heard about a marathon race in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? You might have seen in the newspapers, in the videos, sometimes in the university also. Marathon race, people will run on the roads, not in the ground. Because marathon race means they have to cover more distance. They have to cover more distance. Sorry. So have you heard about the marathon race in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? People run marathon on roads because the track of the stadium is only 400 meters. If 10 rounds of a stadium track equal to how many kilometers? Marathon race means people always run on the roads because they have to cover kilometers. You might have seen 40K run, 2K run. They run on the roads, not in the stadium, because stadium is very small. It is given the stadium track is only 400 meters. The total distance is 400 meters. The stadium we have less distance to cover. Now that's why people will run on the road. People will run on the road so that they cover maximum distance. Here it is given a person who run in the stadium for 10 times. If we go for 10 rounds, how much distance is going to cover? 10 rounds. Okay. One round is 400 meters. If we go 10 rounds, it means 10 times 400 meters. That will become 4,000 meters. We are supposed to find how many kilometers this is. What is 1 kilometer? 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Second. Okay. Okay. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So 4,000 meters means, if you want to convert into kilometers, divide with 1,000, that will become 4 kilometers. 4,000 meters. 1,000 meter is 1 kilometer. 4,000 meters means 4 kilometers. So this is the answer you have to write. Answer is there in the worksheet also. Answer is there on the board. Whichever you want, you can copy the answer. Okay. It's very simple. No? Total stadium, if you run one time the stadium, it covers 400 meters. If you run one time, it covers 400 meters. If you go for 10 rounds, 10 rounds means 10 into 400, that will be 4,000 meters. If you want to convert into kilometers, divide by 1,000, you will get kilometers. It's a very simple question. If this is done, look at the second question. Completed, no? Look at the second question. Second question given, Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meters 40 centimeters. 3 meters 40 centimeters. Dhanu, longest jump. She got the first prize. Gurjeet is the second. Gurjeet is second. His jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu. So Gurjeet, how much long Gurjeet jump means? 3 meters 40 centimeters minus 20. The distance what he jumped is 20 centimeter less than the first prize. So 3 meters 40 the first prize, then 3 meter 40 minus 20. So meters as it is, centimeter difference is there. 40 centimeters, 20 centimeters will be 20 centimeters. 40 minus 20 is 1. This is the distance Gurjeet covered. Next it is given, Gopi comes a third place. He jumps only 5 centimeters less than the Gurjeet. Okay. So Gopi covered the distance, whatever Gurjeet minus 5. 3 meters 20 centimeters minus 5 centimeters. 3 meters 15 centimeters. 20 minus 5. When you are subtracting, you have to subtract centimeters and centimeters, meters and meters, you have to subtract. Charandeep, your video is off. Abhilash, video is off. Tanish, video is off. Abhilash, why the video was off? Huh? Why your video was off? Tanish. Tanish, removed from the class. Navateja Sai. Navateja Sai. Navateja Sai. You are sleeping in the class. Huh? You are removed. If the video is off, no second thought, you will be thrown out of the class. I have told you on the very first day, you have to switch on the video, you have to listen to the class. Mr. Abhilash, if you repeat this, you will be removed. Geetika, Yam Geetika, your video is off, ma. Yam Geetika. Yam Geetika, why the video was off? Geetika Nagasri. Geetika Nagasri. Answer to my question. Abhilash. Abhilash. Why again video was off? If you complete the second question, please let me know. We will move to the third question without any delay.
No, sir, I am not completed.
Okay, do it, do it.
Next, so Avantika not completed answer.
Okay, okay, do it.
Sir, Sir, completed.
Those who completed the second question, they can try the third question, which is very easy. Third question is very easy.
Sir, over, sir. Man.
Those completed the second question, please let us move to the third question. Third question is about running exercise. Running exercise. Nowadays, running is very important for a person to be healthy and fit. Daily you have to walk if you can. If you can, you can run. Go for jogging or walking. This is very, very good for health. Here, Mr. Devi Prasad is a person who met the doctor. Doctor advised him to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. So, to be physically fit, the doctor advised him to go for run 2 kilometers every day. 2 kilometers every day. There is a ground near to the field. You can see that picture there. You can see the diagram. He took one round of this field. He took one round of this field. Then how far did he run? What is the total distance he covered in one round? Look at the picture. It is a square field. All sides are equal means it is a square field. 500
Sir,
meters.
sir,
Yes. Yes. Who is
sir,
it?
not over, sir.
Hmm?
Over.
What? What is your
Sir,
doubt? This is the ground available at near to his Devi Prasad home. He covered one round of this field. He took one round of this field. One round means 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500. Four times means four times of 500 meters, that is 2000 meters. 2000 meters means how many kilometers? We know very well 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. When 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, when 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, 2000 meters will be 2 kilometers. So the total distance he covered in one round of the ground is 2 kilometers. So very simple question. You have to add 504
Please make me
times.
co-host.
You will get the total number. The total is 2000 meters. 2000 meters is the distance covered by him. Convert into kilometers. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So divide by 1000, you will get 2 kilometers. As doctor advised, per day 2 kilometers. Yes, what is your doubt? What is your doubt? You can tell me. Otherwise, just copy the answer.
One minute. Okay.
Mute yourself, please. Mute yourself. Mr. Abhilash, your video is off, man. Parents are talking in the background. This is not good. Dikshita, your parents are talking in the background. Some noise is coming from your home. Mute yourself. If you are done with this question, let us move to the next one.
Sir, third question is not over, sir.
This is very simple. You are taking so much time. Write the question. Answer is only two lines. Total distance covered 4 into 500, that is 2000
Sir, over, sir.
in 2 kilometers.
Sir, Sujay Naidu, over. Third question.
Okay, let us move to the next one in that case. Earlier, see, Devi Prasad, you need to walk around this, which is a square field. Instead of square field, one more field is there in the form of a circle, circular field, circular field. Please mute yourself. Otherwise, I have to mute all of you. See, there is a circular park. There is a circular park. The total boundary of the park, the total perimeter, circumference, the total boundary of the park is 400 meters. The total circular park is 400 meters. This field is very far from his home. So he choose a park nearby. The earlier square, you have seen, no, square field, which is far from home. So he has chosen a park which is nearby to his home. The boundary of the park is like a circular park, 400 meters. This is one more park where he can go for running or walking or jogging. Now the question is, doctor advised him to run for 2 kilometers per day. If the total boundary is 4,000 meters, then how many rounds he has to go? How many rounds? How many rounds he has to run to complete the 2 kilometers? Okay. 2 kilometer means 2000 meters. 2000 meters is the total distance that he has to run. If we complete one round, it will become 400 meters. So the park, the boundary of the park is 400 meters. So number of rounds he has to run is 2000 divided by 400. 2000 divided, because one round is 400. How many such rounds are required to cover this 2000 meters? So you have to divide 2000 by 4000. Always zeros gets cancelled in the division when you have zeros. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So if Devi Prasad covers 4 rounds, 5 rounds, 5 rounds of the circular park. If he covers 5 rounds, if he run 5 times, that will become 2 kilometers. Each round is 400 meters. So 5 times means 5 into 4. Yes, you will get the answer. So length of the boundary of the park, number of rounds required, 2000 divided by 400. That's the answer. Make it fast. Is completed now? Look at the next question. One day the weather was very good, cool breeze was blowing. So when it is hot sun, you don't want to run for more time because you will get sweating and irritation. If it is a cool breeze, you love to walk or run for more time. So one day it was a very cool breeze was blowing. So he felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. So 8 rounds completed. One round of the circular park is 400 meters. 8 rounds. 8 rounds means 8 rounds. 400 into 8. That is 3,200 meters. So this you can write as 3,000 meters and 200 meters. Separate. 3,000 meters means 3 kilometers, and this is as it is meters, no change. So if we want the distance covered by him in kilometers and meters separately, 3,000 meters means 3 kilometers, 200 meters will be as it is 200 meters. So this is the answer what they are expecting. You are supposed to give the answer in kilometers and meters separately. The answer is ready for you. One round means 400 meters is going to cover. If it is 8 rounds, on that day it was very cool, so he went for 8 rounds. So 8 into 400, that will become 3,200 meters. 3,200 means separate it. 3,000 separate, 200 separate, 3 kilometers and 200 meters. That will be the answer. Questions and answers after the class I will share. So nothing to worry. Concentrate on the concept. Aditya Paman, your video is off now. Repeatedly, I'm asking you to switch on the video, but you people will don't do that. Why? Done with this question. Let us move to the next one. Rishika, Rishika, what are you doing? Huh? You are supposed to sit at the class. What are you doing at the mirror? Huh?
What, sir?
Rishika, what are you doing at the mirror? Huh?
What, sir?
Rishika,
What, sir?
from the class.
Sir, what, sir?
Okay. Look at the next question.
Sir, what, sir?
Next question. How far is your home from the school? You can see the same goes in the textbook. We are doing all textbook problems today. How far is your home from school? There is a student who want to come from school to home, from home to school, but it is a far away. While coming to the school, he has to cover different places or areas. That is explained here clearly. Momun come to school from very far. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond with the slippers in his hand. To come to the school, he has to cover the pond. It is full of water. So he will handle the slippers at home and he will cross the pond with naked legs. Okay, he walks 400 meters to the pond. Then he walks 150 meters through the pond. Next, he runs across 350 meters wide green field. Then he carefully crosses the 40 meters wide road. So he covers four different areas. Four different areas through the pond, side the pond, then green field, then narrow road. So four different areas he is covering. What is the all different areas? Find the distances he is covering. All four distances you have to simply add. It's simple, no? First one distance, next another distance, next another distance, like this. So four different distances is covering. You have to add everything, you will get the total value. And he is asking, is the total distance is more than a kilometer or less than a kilometer? He is asking to identify that also. First he walks 400 meters to the pond. To the pond, 400 meters. Next, through the pond. Through the pond, it is given 150 meters. Through the pond, 150 meters. Then he runs 350 meters. Field, 350 meters. He run through the field, 350 meters. Then crosses the road. Road is 40 meters. You have to add this. You have to add all these four values. Okay. Distance up to the pond, then through the pond, then through the green field, then through the road. Four different areas. From home, he will reach the pond, then he cross the pond, then fields, then road. All four distances you have to add. Add this. From home to school, he covers 940 meters distance. 940 the total. All different distances you are adding. 940 meters. 940 is less than 1 kilometer because 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters and it is less than 1000, so it is 940. Completed? So that was the most important question. Now one more question is there here that you can do it of your own. I will share this worksheet, nothing to worry. I'm going to share the worksheet. Okay. Those who are not able to do it in the class, they can do it afterwards. Okay. So in the next class, we discuss one more topic. As I requested many number of times, you have to switch on the video, otherwise you will not be allowed to sit in the class. Okay. Okay. Time is up.
Okay.
Time is up. Have a good day.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
sir.
Okay. You can leave the meeting.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.